Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again, ChandraAwesome. Uh, Today I'm going to teach you about mm, some of the inbuilt edits in the assembly mates. I got recently observed many of the Onshape users are not aware of that edits in the how to edit the mate connectors in the assembly as per we want. So today I'm going to show easily. This is only a small tutorial, guys, and it is very important for you because it will very useful for achieving the animation as per your want. So let me show you here. For example, I'm just taking the cup which we had created in the last tutorial. So whatever we need, guys, for for mate connector we need at least two parts. So I have only one part, so I want to second part. So what I do, I'm just simply right clicking on the part and copying the part, copy, and again pasting here. See, now I got the two parts. Now I'm going to do the mate connection between them. So which mate we should take? So for the animation purpose, I think we should take cylindrical, because I'm taking this cylindrical mate because it's showing the translator as one rotatory also, so that's why I'm taking. So I'm selecting the edge of the curve and select this edge of the curve. Let's change the direction of them. Now see, okay, and now solve it and click on green button. Now they are connected each other cylindrically. Let me fix this part because we need the animation. So one thing we need to fix, right? Okay, let's perform the animation first, how it's working actually. And my cylindrical net is asking tools. So what is cylindrical? Translatory and rotatory, because as I said, cylinders have both. So I want to rotate this. I'm selecting the Z directions rotation and click on play button. Now see, the cup is rotating on the another cup. Okay, if you don't want this, you want translatory, let's go to reanimate again, and it's showing translatory. Click on OK. The speed is very slow. Let me give 100 value, and you might see absorption. Okay, oh, it's showing only 1 inch. Let's give 3, and I hope it will move. Okay, it will move. I think this gave 1.5 2. Then only it works, I think. Yeah, now it's called works. Here you can, guys, I'm just editing the starting value and end value. But you can also achieve this by, it is just like a only temporary animation works. But you can also doing in mate connectors also. Right now I'll show you how to do it. I'm canceling the animation, and here use a cylindrical mate, right? Here you can may already know how to edit this, but here by right clicking on it you can see edit, and in this option you can see the mate connector connected about cylindrical mate, and we have limits also. In these limits you can give in from which value to which value it will rotate. So for example, as per the previous values, I'm giving only first one 3, and minimum value will be -2, and a rotation should be, I'm giving 90 degrees, and starting with positive value will be 180 degrees. So after this you need to solve it, then only the overlay this will be applied, and click on way button. Now you can see the animation how it is working really to related to the object. You can see it is for rotating and also moving straight line. So I'm clicking on OK. Even you can animate, you can clearly understand. Let's give 100 value for the better animation purpose. So you can't see because it is not connected to it does not have any relation Mate connectors are different and relations are different, guys. Okay, I hope I didn't explain you because okay, in next tutorial I will explain you how to work with this gear relations. Okay, so till for this till this one you might know already, some of you already know cat is. So in this tab you have another editing option called, here you can see the arrow mark, click on it and you can see the mate connectors of both parts. In that, right click on it. In this also you can see that edit option. Click on the edit option. In this edit option is showing entity or between entities. Entity means at this is the entity of the part which we selected, and it is have two options, realign or move option. Realign means we are going to change the uh, position of the made construct of the two parts. Okay, so I am, and just now I'm going to teach you about the move option. And here you can see we have all directional in all direction which you want to make the part connected exactly. So here I have x distance, and for example I'm giving to positive x-axis, it moved positive dash, and want positive 5 and positive z. See, it is exactly moved from its center to the this coordinate position in the assembly studio. And we also have the rotating option also. In this also we have x, y, z. Rotation is already applied. Let's see. Uh, so it's not applied because we didn't. Okay, that's right. I'm giving 5. 5. Now I want to rotate through x-axis. So here we can give values and you can see it is rotating related to x-axis. You can also key the red one represents the x-axis and green one is for y-axis, red one is blue axis. You can also clearly understand by watching the mate connector here. I am given just 30 degrees and see it is rotated to 30 degrees. If you want to change y-axis, you can also give y-axis. And then here you can also change the direction of the and also rotation of the body. It's all about your wish. You can clearly like edit your position of the object in exact position what you want. It's not a fixed position. You can also ability to edit the through this made control options. Okay, now I'm clicking on this. Let's go on animation. Let's see how it's working. Let I'm going to share cylinder and see right, animate again. We need z axis and see the z axis position which change to in this way, and that's why it is working in this particular position. In this way you can edit the made connectors of the ports and position of also ports. Here you can edit the both connectors as per you want it. If you clearly know how to, if you clearly give your trials and work with them, you can clearly understand how to use in the assembly designs. I hope you might understand for this tutorial, guys. If you really got the good information, please do say like, share, and subscribe our channel, guys. That's all about today. Thank you. Have a nice day. And one more, guys. Here, let me hide this board. I'm in the coming up a tutorial. I'm going to teach you about how to design a simple 3D model car, which can be 3D printable, just by using the what I have till now teach you the Onshape CAD tools. I'm not going to use any extra tools. Going to use what I have taught you till now. For your reminder, I will mention you clearly. I explain this or up to these tools and explain up to draft tool, right? And in the I will make a post, and in the upcoming videos I will clearly told you clearly teach you how to design this simple model car. It is not in a particular process, but it is makes you understand how to model, and it is very useful for the beginners, onship beginners. So that's my intention, guys. I'm going to show you in the future videos also if you really love it. Um, uh, if you want to learn it, please stay tuned to our channel. Okay, that's all about, guys. Thank you. Have a nice day.